Hello and welcome to Lincoln of Windsor. My name is Jeff Hinks and today we are talking about when you should rotate your tires and why you should. When you rotate your tires regularly and adequately, you prolong the life of your tires. It's a simple yet effective tire maintenance step that can easily pair up with your other vehicle maintenance tasks. So it's easy to schedule and remember. How often you rotate your tires will depend on several factors. The type of tires you have mounted on your vehicle, the amount of mileage you rack up on the odometer in a year, your driving habits, the mechanical condition of your vehicle. Why should you rotate your tires? Tire rotations are an easy and inexpensive way to help you get the maximum life of your tires by equalizing tread wear and ensuring the optimal performance of your vehicle. Rotating tires at frequent intervals offers several key advantages. It improves performance and handling. It increases vehicle safety, promotes even tread wear, reduces the potential for tire failure. In most vehicles with front and all-wheel drive, the front tires tend to wear down faster than the ones on the rear. This is due to a combination of factors, including increased force on tires from the drivetrain, more weight in the front of the vehicle due to engine and passengers, braking and cornering transfer more pressure to the front tires. By rotating our tires, you help ensure the tread wear is balanced among the four tires and prolong the life of your tires. When should you rotate your tires? Most drivers should rotate their tires approximately every 8,000 kilometers. Some people like to do their tire rotations at every other oil change. If you pile up kilometers in your vehicle each year, more than 20,000 kilometers, it's advisable to add an extra tire rotation. In addition to spring and fall, you could rotate your tires sometimes in the summer. If you need your tires rotated, considering scheduling a service appointment at Lincoln of Windsor at www.lincolnofwindsor.com or give us a call at 519-972-6500. Thank you and have a great day.